How to remove family account on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove family account on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove the family account on Cash App, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Now maybe if you're a part of a family account, or maybe you have invited someone to your family account, it is very simple to remove them. All you have to do is just scroll down, look for this option known as family, and then tap on it. If you have basically invited someone, select a person that you want to remove. Once you select every people out there, your Cash App family account is going to get automatically removed from the list and no one else will be left inside of it. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and then try to add those people respectively and remove them accordingly. If you have not yet created a family account as well, then you can just select I'm a teen option if you want to join a family account, or you can tap on invite a teen option in order to invite a specific person to your family account here. This way you can go ahead and then actually remove family account on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.